Today I received a pair of earbuds from a company called TrueFree, and the model is 01. The biggest draw for me for these headphones is the fact that they are sitting outside your ear, so I don't have to plug anything inside my ear canals. Let's open these babies up and see what's inside. So as soon as I open the box, there's a sheet of paper that reminds us to download the app from the App Store. What they should have done actually just put a QR code in order to make the process more seamless. I'm greeted by this TrueFree case and a small box where the charging cable resides. Let's see what else inside. Ooh, it's instruction manual. Palo. The case is huge. It's comically gigantic. However, mathematically, the case can recharge the earbuds 10 times. So for my personal usage, it's gonna last me about a week or two before I need to recharge the case. Of course, as usual, you need to go to your app store, type TrueFree, choose the app, and obviously download and install the app. It will still work without downloading the app. It's just you cannot do the firmware update or do anything fancy with it. And here it is, the process in real time. As I mentioned earlier, the TrueFree case is gigantic compared to the AirPods Pro. It's literally double the size of AirPods Pro 2 case. This is needed because the earbuds themselves are big. And this is needed because of the ear hook. And if I want to hear my surroundings, I prefer the ear hook and on-ear earbuds. The sound quality is not bad at all. Of course, you cannot compare it with the regular in-ear or other on-ear closed-looped earbuds, earphone, or headphones. It is not designed that way. It is designed to be worn on your ears. And with that in mind, the TrueFree 01 really does its job. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.